Understanding high-status jobs in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, high-status job. Understanding this term can help you better grasp the nuances of English conversations, especially in a professional context. So, let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. A high-status job refers to a position that is generally considered prestigious and respected in society. These jobs often require advanced education, special skills, or unique talents. They typically come with a higher level of responsibility, influence, and often, a higher salary. Examples include professions like doctors, lawyers, and executives. Educational requirements. Most high-status jobs require advanced degrees or specialized training. This could mean years of study and passing rigorous exams. Responsibility and influence. These jobs often involve significant decision-making power and can impact many people. For instance, a doctor's decisions directly affect a patient's health. Income level. Generally, high-status jobs offer higher salaries. This is due to the level of skill and responsibility involved. Social perception. Society often views these jobs as prestigious and admirable. People in high-status jobs are sometimes seen as role models. Understanding the concept of a high-status job helps in navigating professional English. Knowing this term can help you understand job-related discussions in English. Cultural context. It provides insight into how different jobs are viewed in English-speaking cultures. Setting goals. For those aiming for such positions, it clarifies what is generally valued in these roles. I hope this video has helped you understand what a high-status job means in the English language and why it's important. Remember, every job has its own value, and status can vary based on cultural and personal perspectives. Thanks for watching, and keep learning.